Hi, it's Heather Novak. I'm going to be your government teacher for this semester, and I wanted to just make a quick little video to show you how to navigate this course and use all the tools that are available to you. So when you first log into the class, you will see the bulletin board here. Any new announcements that I add will be put here. There, it might be a link to something, or it might be a document that I add, like this one here. It might just be text. So the very first thing you'll want to do as you're entering this course each day is check the bulletin board and be sure that you've read everything on it. This one right here says read the following before starting class. So if you have not yet read these, click the class expectations and the syllabus. There's some information about me. There's a course assignment checklist that lists every assignment in the course and will help you figure out how many assignments to do each week that you're in this course in order to finish it up. And then there's an explanation of how to test out of a unit if you already know if you already know some of the materials that we are studying in a unit. You can take the pre-test, and then if you earn 75% or better on it, you don't have to do the assignments in that class except for the required core competency assignment. So that is something to look through if it is something you might be interested in. And then down below you will notice that there are 7 units in this course. There's actually 6 units, and then the final assignments, which include a reflection and the final exam. You can click on any checkbox that has a solid line around it. That allows you to check off that item once you've read it or completed it, so you know that you've taken care of anything here. If I add another, maybe an announcement here or another document or something, you'll be able to check off that you've read through it. If it is a dashed line, then the computer will automatically put a check mark in it when you have received a grade for that assignment. So for example, when you click on the first unit, you'll notice the things that you are asked to do have these little green icons next to them, and then there's a dashed line checkbox afterwards. So when you log in, or when you click on the course introduction, which says be sure to read all the course information above before you do it, because that's where you're going to find the answers. Once you have a score for this assignment in your gradebook, this box will be checked, like this one. So this student, for example, completed the self-reflection and earned a grade. They have a checkbox. So it's a super handy way to keep track of what you have done and what you have not yet completed. So that is something that has been added to this course this year for your use and for your ease of figuring out where you left off last and what you have left to do. So it's kind of a cool feature. And you'll just see the Unit 1 assignments when you click on Unit 1, and when all those are checked off, then you can click on Unit 2 and do the same thing there. You will see 2 assignments that have the word required in front of them. So even if you test out of a unit, you'll need to do the required assignment if there's one in that unit. And if you don't pass this with the required score of 70%, you'll see an X in the checkbox until you redo it to improve your grade above 70%. And I will give lots and lots of feedback and help you through that if you don't pass it the first time. So that's what the required assignments are, and you will know whether you've done well enough on them to pass by looking in this checkbox, and of course in the gradebook where you'll get all your feedback as well. So basically you're just going to work your way through the course from Unit 1 to 6 and then take the final exam at the end. Depending on how many weeks you plan to spend on this course will determine how many you should do each week, and again you can use that assignment checklist. Here's a little video to show you how, just to be sure you're staying organized. Otherwise, absolutely use my contact information to call or text me, and I would be happy to help you with anything throughout this semester. I'm really looking forward to working with you. Have a great day.